In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a sprint board on Monday.com. If you've ever wanted a way to streamline and organize your team projects efficiently, stay tuned. Monday.com is a powerful tool that can help you keep every part of your project visible and manageable. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to navigate to your main workspace on Monday.com. This is the hub that holds all of your projects and information, making it a great starting point for setting up your sprint board. Ensuring you're in the right workspace will make managing your projects much easier and more organized. Once you've made it to the main workspace, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen and look for the plus button. Clicking this button is your gateway to beginning a new board. With this simple step, you're on your way to creating a fresh space where you can see all tasks, timelines, and team contributions in one place. After you've clicked the plus button, you'll want to choose the option to create a new board. Here, you can enter a descriptive and recognizable name for your board. Selecting a name that reflects the focus or the sprint theme can be beneficial for clarity and continuity. Next up, you'll want to start entering the task names. This step is crucial, as breaking down your project into manageable tasks makes it easier to track progress and identify any bottlenecks. Think of each task as a stepping stone that moves your project forward. Once your tasks are in place, it's time to effectively utilize your team by assigning each task to a person. This means clicking on the task and selecting the appropriate team member. Assigning tasks is a great way to ensure accountability and remind everyone of their role within the sprint. Now, let's talk about timelines. Click on the timeline feature within your board, which allows you to set start and end dates for each task. Timelines are excellent for visualizing the project flow and ensuring that everyone is aware of the deadlines and expectations. If your sprint has specific numbers, you can add additional text to the board to indicate sprint numbers or any other specific notes that might be necessary. Adding this information will help everyone remain on the same page throughout the project duration. Finally, you want to explore automation within your board by clicking on the Automate button. Automation rules can help manage repetitive tasks without constant manual input, freeing up more time to focus on strategic and creative work. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively set up a sprint board on Monday.com. This will not only help you stay organized, but also ensure that every team member understands their tasks and timelines. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this was helpful in getting your projects running smoothly.